Graph and write equation to match each transformation. Find vertex. Opens up. That's a positive x. Shifts 4 down. Minus 4. Vertex is at 0, negative 4. Here we go. Opens down. Shifts 3 units to the left. 4 units up. That is the vertex. So negative 3, 4 is the vertex. Opens down. Next part is write an equation to match each transformation. Opens down. And shifts 12 units down. Opens up. 8 units to the left. 5 down. Describe the transformation from that. Write an equation to match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Opens down, up, 9, y equals negative absolute value plus 9. Vertex at negative 7, 2. Equation, opens up, left, 7, up, 2, y equals x plus 7 plus 2. F of 3, I go to 3, and it hits at negative 1. F of 10, it hits at 8. F of negative 1, it hits at negative 1 again. Equals y equals 4. So I go to y equals 4, and it is 5. Y equals 2. And ain't hitting nobody. So I need to write the word undefined. X equals 8. It's a little more than 6. So it's approximately 6.25. And this little thing means approximately. Actually, the two little equal sign. Let me write that better so you can see. I don't know if there's a symbol on the computer. I'm sure there's a symbol somewhere. But that is 6. So approximately 6. And that is the next page of your review.